Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your webinar list, your webinar attendee list into a qualified lead list where you research the accounts, where you enrich those phone numbers, and all that is built by Claude. My name is Vincent. I'm the founding account executive at Baseloop. And of course, it's my responsibility to do the SDR part of the work and also to finally close those accounts into new customers. And today our goal is to take the list of webinar attendees, qualify the accounts, enrich the prospects, and the goal is to do this all with Claude plus Baseloop, because I think for a lot of people, having the use case in mind is one thing, but then building it into, for instance, a clay table or like an N8N table, it's quite hard to build it. So that's why we took the best of both worlds and we connected Baseloop, our own platform, and we connected it to Claude, and now you're able to just speak in natural language into your Claude, and it will build the whole workflow for you in Baseloop, so that's pretty cool. And basically also what we're doing is we reverse engineering today. So this is one of the, this is one of the example research overviews that we have. I will put myself here. And basically what it says is, okay, this is the domain of the example account, the name of the account, what kind of company it is, where it's operating, what kind of CRM it's using, and then what the whole company looks like. What I'll do is I have the attendees list here. So this is Baseloop. It's our spreadsheet tool. And basically what I say to Claude, because I connected it, if you're doing this, you can just use the connect to Claude button. But basically I'm saying, hey, this is the organization, this is the workspace, and I want to make a plan. And it will ask me some questions. And yeah, I think it's a cool goal for today to do this. So we will start with, this is already done, so that's very good. Then we will qualify those accounts, and what I will do is I will make a reverse engineering plan. So what I will say is reverse engineer this outcome into parallel agents, into a parallel agent and or other agents. The goal is to qualify the accounts before reaching out to all attendees. This is an example report. Okay, perfect. So now it's looking into Baseloop. It's using the plugin with several skills that we have built. And I will just queue this one. Okay, so basically what we're now doing, I think we're going somewhere. Okay, so we took the list of the attendees and this is done. Of course, it's in the table in Baseloop already. We're now making this plan to qualify those accounts. Okay, pretty cool. The Baseloop agent is done. So the workflow is the webinar account qualification with the source. So what we will do is it will take the first table, it will take the account push it into an account list, and then research the account brief, and then also push the qualified accounts into a last lead list. Also search for anything around the company or lead using Clay. This can just be a simple AI agent. Search for this information. Then let's freaking go. Okay, so you have several skills that you can activate while working with the Baseloop GTM plugin. You can either plan and make a plan just like I did, and you will have the whole data flow, how everything will work, cost estimate of the credits you use, etc. Then you have the build step after planning, but you can also, if you already have a couple of workflows in your Baseloop, you can review it, and you can diagnose anything, any errors within your workflows. And of course, once you want to build or you want to just let Claude autonomously build, you can just use LFG. And of course, if you need any help, all the capabilities, all the possibilities, then just press /help. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I updated the plan a little bit. There were quite a lot of personal email addresses, so we turn them into business emails, and we want to enrich the leads profiles, of course. Also do a lookup in HubSpot before and check if the record is already in HubSpot. Only after qualifying, we are making the record or company. Make the best decision on when to do a lookup, and also after qualification, when to create either the company or the contact, as well as for the lookup, make the decision yourself when to do a lookup of the company, because we only want to research the companies that needs to be researched. If they're already in HubSpot and already been qualified, then of course you can use the qualification tag or information that is in HubSpot. So do not forget that to add as well. Yeah, so basically everything that we do is normally starting with a blueprint like this. So what we do is we create a blueprint for a demo, also for our own workflows. And what we do is just a short view on what the product is, what we're qualifying. In this case, it was an inbound sign-up, how the qualification works, what we need to do, what kind of people are interested to reach out to. I should have started with building a blueprint like this, but in this case, yeah, AI is smart enough to do it. So back to what the goal was today. We wanted to take the list of the webinar attendees, qualify those accounts, and enrich the prospects. And I think we did quite a good job, or actually Claude did quite a good job. It was a bit messy at the beginning, but that is also building. You have an idea, you want to turn it into a workflow, and while you're building it, you're thinking, hey, maybe this is more practical to do. And that's exactly what we did today. So I'm showing you right now how we turned the workflow summary into a full system. So what we did is we took those leads from the webinar and we searched, okay, is it a personal or a business email, then the email domain. And as you can see, we can recover like the reverse email. And yeah, what we did is we are able to find those email addresses. Even if it's a personal email, we are able to find the business profile. And then what we did is we did a lookup in Baseloop, and as you can see here, we did some account qualification. So we have the accounts to qualify. We also did a lookup there in HubSpot, and as you can see, it's still finalizing the last parts. And I think I can say here, run the full scale. And I will also just all empty and filled rows. And also here, what we will do is we will just do, cool, they're found. Just do all the research there. So we used a parallel AI agent. And basically what it did was went for the account research, found if it was qualified for Baseloop or not. And then the overview, just as we gave as input. So that's pretty cool, just as you see here. So this is actually something that we recreated right here. So that's very interesting for me before I want to reach out. And then I did another lookup for the qualified lead list. And now here you will see the qualified companies in one lead list. And I think right here what we will have is a task for me in HubSpot where the contact is created. Make a list of people with phone or mail, and also make tasks to call in HubSpot with the note on company level with the research report we made. Yeah, pretty cool. So now what we could do is, if we have multiple webinars, what we can do is we can just connect inbound webhooks. You just have to copy paste them in Claude, and every time we gave a webinar, they will be pushed into Baseloop automatically, because as you can see, we have the auto run button here. We can turn on the auto enrichment, and accounts or people will be here. Then we will have this analyze with the formula if it's like a personal or a business email, and then yeah, we are able to enrich the people. We are able to find and see if they are in Baseloop or not. And I see. And yeah, then what we can do is we can research all the accounts. And as you can see, some are already in our platform, others not. Now they're researching. And then once they're all researched, we get this this account brief. The account brief will be pushed into HubSpot, and also the accounts are all listed here to an overview, and I will create another overview here to make a list of all the people and tasks that will be made in HubSpot. So I think a pretty cool setup. And yeah, if you want to build a setup like this yourself, just go to baseloop.io and either sign up for free and get a demo. And yeah, then you connect your Baseloop to Claude, make a blueprint like this. And I think it's pretty easy for you. So make a blueprint, the whole use case from A to Z, make it as detailed as you want. Then push this into your Claude. And at the end, turn your webinars into pipeline. And this video will be on the internet, so this thumbnail will be there. It will be on YouTube, and yeah, I will upload it right there. So yeah, you will be able to see this video and to also use this this playbook. And if you want to, I can send you a template, because we have a lot of templates, and you're also able to see them on the website. So for instance, go to templates and yeah, just look into what's relevant for you. You can choose one and you can see how it's built. And also, if you want to use this template, you can use it directly. And yeah, you can just press it, use this template, make an account, and load it into your account, push in some data, and yeah, you will be ready to work with it. So yeah, pretty cool. And I wish you all the best building in Baseloop. And if you need any help, please press the Need Help button and or the Contact Us, and we will be there to answer all your questions.